Sweetie, I have to leave the windows open. Did our internet shut off again? I think you have your
No.
windows open.
Okay, it's Winamp. That was long.
Isn't my sister just awesome? Coke, man. It's
I want some.
it's liquid Coke or crack in a bottle.
Yeah, take some of this shit. It's good for you.
It is. Keeps you up all day and all night too.
I can't balance. It tastes like
I feel like I'm gonna puke.
it tastes like water.
Tastes like water.
Oh, that would taste disgusting.
Two girls who felt. You can't get any more real than that.
Yeah.
Like they were gross, and it's like, you know what? You should,
Kiss my bum, bitch.
it's my mom. I still hate snobs, though. It's not funny. I gotta turn around.
I did it too.
I'm gonna stand up to this one.
Ew. What, that? No, it's supposed to
Oh, that was awesome.
It looks broken, but I broke a piece off here a long time ago.
Can you tell my sister?
No, it's not.
This is my birthday.
I can't.
Watch this one.
Jessica, this.
Shut up. No, it's not in there. It looks like it, but it's not. So don't.
Oh!
Nice.
Jessica, this.
No, I'm busy. Okay, I'm gonna do 2 more and then we're gonna put the other. Stand up again.
Go.
Ew, I almost got pooped. That tasted like
What's that
hot
this
dog.
morning?
Oh.
Oh, why the fuck did I this one?
Oh.
I just
Wait,
got
I
puked
need
on.
to wait for it to come up this time.
Yeah, so do I. So
Otherwise I'll throw up. Oh, here it comes.
Oh, look at this.
That's how I used to burp. Now I burp like this.
Is it back up?
I'm gonna burp Coke.
I got Coke on my face.
Jessica,
Go lick it off.
We're doing something.
Look it off.
I'm an alien.
I'm an alien.
I'm demented.
Oh. Whoa.
It's an alien bird.
Or is it? Dun, dun, dun. Oh, I got it stuck in my stomach again. Come up! Or don't come out the other end.
Oh my god, it's gonna sting.
No. You don't know it for sure. It might smell like coke though.
You're trying to tell me it's gonna smell like flowers?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm setting up one more time. I'm gonna try to see if I can do one of hers.
Go.